Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and I went to the mailbox and look what I got. I got a package. I think I know what this is, but I'm not 100% sure. I was supposed to be getting a package from Aliexpress. In fact, it was 3 different things I ordered, but that wasn't really supposed to come until the 7th. Today is the 2nd, and it came pretty quick. Let's see if this is what I think it is. I mean, I don't know what else it would be because I haven't ordered anything else. Yep. Okay. Here is, interesting. Here's one. And there's one. Let's see. Yep, there's another one. And look at this. It's another Blythe doll. This one, though, is going to my granddaughter, who in December will turn 8. All right, so the first 2 things I'm going to show you are these little boots. I've gotten these before. The first pair that I ever got, my sister gave me, and I just love these Ugg boots. And I got these tan boots. Whoops. Don't want things blown away. Aren't they cute? Look at them. Got the little fur in the middle. And then these white ones will actually be going to my granddaughter when I give her the doll. She's actually going to be baptized, and I gave her sister a Blythe doll, an Aliexpress doll, when she was baptized. And my sister, Tammy Pally, she made a little white dress, and I had these little boots, and I got jewelry, and anyway, did some very light customizing on her, and I plan on doing that for this granddaughter for her birthday. All right, let's see what else is in here. Got some undies. Gotta have some undies. I think these are really nice. I've ordered these before too. We have some peach ones, white, which that'll probably go with the doll. Purple, blue, and gray. Put them all in here, along with these boots. Whoops. And then now let's get to the star of the show, the doll. I hope she's okay. She's been sitting out in the mailbox all day long. Well, I guess all day long. It's 4 o'clock, after 4 o'clock. And I don't know when the mail came, but I do know if you're not careful, these dolls will melt, and it is very hot today. It's actually not as hot as it has been. All right, so we have our hand. Let's see. And here's the doll. Oh, she's pretty. Her hair's darker than I thought. That's okay. I was hoping that her hair was more of a light brown. My granddaughter's hair is a light brown, and it's cut just like this. Let's see. Let's get her little face mask off. I want to keep all this because when I get her all done, I'm going to wrap her back up like she came. Oh, isn't she pretty? I love her hair. Ooh, it is so soft. I believe this is the softest hair I have felt on these girls. Okay. Oh, look at that. All right, let's check her eyes out. We have the pink. And the side gray. And the blue. Probably the orange will be next. They're a brownish orange. I never know what color to call these. These look brown though, and I don't know if it's just because of her hair or what. She is so pretty. I love her. And my granddaughter's name is Ember. You know, like little Ember, the fire. And so this will be an Ember. And I have some ideas on how I want to lightly customize her. I am hoping to be able to go to Florida in October. And my daughter, with my granddaughters, they will be down there. And hopefully Tammy and I will be able to do some like customizing on her. And I can possibly go ahead and give her to my granddaughter. Let's check to see if all of her extremities and everything is okay. I believe they are. I got one of these dolls not long ago and the arm keeps falling off. I think she's okay. Yep, she looks to be okay. I'm going to have to get her back in to the coolness. It's a little, like I said, it's a little warm out here, and you don't want these girls out in the hot, humid weather all that long. I want to thank you all for joining me today. You have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.